When you step into a beautifully designed model home, there's an instant sense of calm and admiration. Every color, texture, and piece of furniture seems perfectly placed, creating a space that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Today, we'll take you on a detailed tour inside one of the most stylish model homes, exploring its decor ideas, design principles, and small details you can easily copy to make your own home feel high-end, cozy, and elegant. It's not just about how it looks, but how it feels, and how every element works together to create harmony. This home is a perfect example of what happens when design meets purpose and comfort blends with beauty. The grand entrance. The first impression starts the moment you step through the door. The entryway of this model home feels bright, open, and thoughtfully arranged. A large mirror reflects light beautifully, instantly making the space appear larger. A simple console table holds a vase of fresh flowers, a few candles, and maybe a decorative tray. The colors stay light and neutral, helping to create a calm mood that sets the tone for the rest of the house. Everything feels intentional, minimal yet inviting. Proof that even the smallest corner can make a big impact. The gentle scent of flowers and soft glow of light immediately tell you this is a home designed with care. It's a welcome that feels both personal and refined. The living room, where comfort meets style. As you move into the living room, it feels like stepping into the pages of a design magazine. The space is open and airy, filled with soft, neutral shades like beige, cream, and light gray. The furniture is modern but comfortable, featuring clean lines and plush textures. Cushions and rugs in layered fabrics add warmth, while soft lighting from floor and table lamps gives a cozy glow. The balance of simplicity and comfort is what makes this room so beautiful. It doesn't try too hard, yet everything feels elegant and complete. The gentle hum of light music or the subtle crackle of a candle makes it feel alive. This is a space that invites conversation, relaxation, and connection. A kitchen that blends beauty and function. The kitchen is where design meets practicality. It's sleek, clean, and perfectly organized, with smooth surfaces and subtle tones. Cabinets in matte finishes, marble-like countertops, and wooden accents make it both stylish and timeless. Pendant lights above the island bring in warmth and a touch of sophistication, while small details like fresh herbs or a bowl of lemons add natural color. Every inch feels carefully planned, proving that a functional space can also be a piece of art. The gentle reflection of light on the counter makes cooking feel elegant. Even the smallest details, the handles, the layout, the storage, show how thought out this space truly is. Dining area with effortless sophistication. The dining area flows seamlessly from the kitchen, maintaining the same soothing palette. A single statement light fixture above the dining table instantly catches the eye. The table setting is simple but graceful, neutral plates, linen napkins, and a modest centerpiece of flowers or candles. Artwork or a large mirror nearby adds personality and depth. The space feels intimate yet polished, perfect for both casual breakfasts and elegant dinner gatherings. There's a quiet charm in the way the chairs align, the way the light reflects off the table surface. It's a place where family moments and stylish design come together naturally. The dream bedroom retreat. Stepping into the bedroom feels like entering a private sanctuary. The room is calm, quiet, and beautifully layered with textures. The bed takes center stage, dressed in crisp white linens, soft pillows, and a cozy throw blanket. The color palette stays soothing, soft beige, dusty gray, or warm taupe. Light filters gently through curtains, and bedside lamps cast a warm glow. Every detail, from the headboard to the artwork, works together to create a sense of peace. It's the kind of bedroom that feels luxurious not because it's fancy, but because it's thoughtfully designed. You can imagine winding down here after a long day, reading a book, or simply enjoying the stillness. Everything about it whispers comfort and care. Bathroom with spa-like luxury. The bathroom in this model home is simple yet undeniably elegant. Clean tiles, sleek fixtures, and well-placed lighting create a bright, relaxing space. The vanity area features a large mirror and subtle lighting that flatters the room. A few small touches, rolled towels, a candle, or a tray with skincare products make it feel personal and pampered. The result is a bathroom that feels like a modern spa, refreshing yet refined. The sound of running water, the soft scent of soap, and the glow of candlelight together create a feeling of complete relaxation. Even in its simplicity, it feels indulgent and soothing. The power of color harmony. One of the secrets behind this home's sophisticated look is its color story. Instead of bold or trendy colors, the designer uses calming tones like ivory, soft beige, and warm gray. These shades make the entire house feel connected and balanced. Occasionally, you'll notice accents of black, gold, or green through decor pieces or plants, just enough to keep things interesting. This harmony in color gives every room a serene and polished appearance. It's a reminder that timeless design often lives in simplicity. The soft palette allows the furniture and textures to take center stage, creating a feeling of effortless elegance. Layered textures for warmth and depth. Textures are what make this home feel truly alive. From soft rugs to smooth wood, from velvet cushions to linen curtains, each texture adds richness and character. These layers prevent the home from looking flat or too modern. Instead, they create warmth and visual interest. Even a neutral room comes alive when textures work together, making the space feel comfortable and high-end at the same time. Every surface tells a story of touch, comfort, and balance. The more you notice, the more you appreciate how thoughtfully everything has been chosen. Lighting that transforms the mood. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in interior design, and this model home proves it. Every room uses a mix of light sources, pendant lights, wall sconces, floor lamps, and table lamps to create a layered, cozy atmosphere. The light is warm, soft, and inviting, never harsh or overly bright. It highlights key features like artwork or textured walls, making the home glow beautifully in the evenings. This thoughtful lighting design is what gives the house that subtle, luxurious feel. When day turns to night, the ambience shifts gently, creating a calm mood that makes you want to stay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design trends and home decor inspiration.